Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix TikTok no internet connection, connect to the internet and try again problem in TikTok application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to search TikTok application. Update your TikTok application latest version. Step 3. Long press or long tap in TikTok application. Go to apps info, click on storage, again click on clear data, tap on clear cache data. Step 4. Restart your device. Step 5. Again open your TikTok application. You can follow all of the steps to fix no internet connection, connect to the internet, try again problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.